Unraveling the Charm of Sleigh Bells Ring. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful intricacies of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that evokes the magical atmosphere of winter: sleigh bells ring. This phrase is not only rich in imagery but also deeply rooted in cultural and linguistic contexts. So, grab a cup of hot cocoa, and let's embark on this linguistic journey together. Sleigh bells ring is a phrase that instantly conjures images of a winter landscape, with a horse-drawn sleigh gliding over snow, the crisp air filled with the melodious sound of bells. Sleigh bells are a specific type of bell attached to a sleigh. Their purpose is not just decorative. Historically, they served as a practical means to warn pedestrians of the sleigh's approach, as sleighs can be quite quiet on snow. The action, ring, refers to the sound these bells make, a clear, tinkling sound that is often associated with the joy and festivity of the winter season, especially around Christmas. The phrase, sleigh bells ring, might immediately remind many of the classic Christmas song, Winter Wonderland. This song, which has been covered by countless artists over the decades, starts with the line, sleigh bells ring. Are you listening? Inviting listeners into a serene, snowy landscape filled with the joys of the season. This connection to winter festivities and the imagery of a peaceful, snowy setting highlight the phrase's cultural significance, especially in countries that celebrate Christmas and have a strong winter season. From a linguistic perspective, the phrase, sleigh bells ring, is simple yet evocative. It consists of a subject, sleigh bells, and a verb, ring, forming a complete thought that is both visual and auditory. This phrase is an excellent example of how language can evoke senses and emotions, bringing to mind not just a sound, but the entire atmosphere that accompanies it. It also illustrates the use of present tense, which gives the phrase an immediate, ongoing quality, as if the bells are ringing right at this moment, inviting us into the winter scene. Sleigh bells ring is a phrase that beautifully captures the essence of winter and the festive spirit. It's a reminder of how language can paint vivid pictures in our minds and evoke strong emotions. Whether you're learning English as a second language or you're a native speaker appreciating its nuances, phrases like these enrich our understanding and appreciation of the language. We hope this exploration has warmed your heart and maybe even made you listen out for the distant sound of sleigh bells. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.